Hey, Sophia, how are you today?
Hi, John. I'm good, thank you. But honestly, I'm really cold today.
Oh, me too. Winter is finally here, right?
Yes, it's so cold outside. I wore 3 jackets this morning.
3 jackets. Wow, that's a lot.
I know, but I really don't like being cold. What about you? Do you like winter?
That's a good question. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Winter is complicated for me.
Complicated? What do you mean?
Well, I love some things about winter, like hot chocolate. I love drinking hot chocolate when it's cold outside.
Oh, yes. Hot chocolate is amazing in winter. I make it every evening now.
Really? Every evening? That's nice. Do you put marshmallows in it?
Always. Big, white, fluffy marshmallows. They melt in the hot chocolate and it tastes like heaven.
That sounds perfect. You're making me want hot chocolate right now.
Maybe we should make some after this conversation.
Good idea. But first, let's talk about winter. I think our friends watching need to learn some winter words in English.
Yes, that's perfect. Winter has so many special words, and if you're learning English, these words are really important.
Exactly. So, let me start with a story. Last week, something funny happened to me.
Ooh, I love stories. Tell me.
Okay, so last Tuesday, I woke up really early. I looked outside my window and everything was white.
White? You mean snow?
Yes, snow. It snowed all night. There was snow everywhere, on the trees, on the cars, on the ground. Everything was covered in snow.
That's beautiful. I love when it snows.
It was beautiful, yes, but here's the funny part. I got dressed. I put on my coat, my scarf, my gloves.
Wait, let me stop you there. These are important winter words. Coat, scarf, gloves. John, can you explain these words?
Oh, good point. Okay, everyone listening, a coat is like a big warm jacket. You wear it over your clothes when you go outside in winter.
Yes, and it keeps you warm. My coat is black and very long. It goes down to my knees.
Nice. Mine is blue and shorter. Okay, next word, scarf. A scarf is a long piece of cloth. You wrap it around your neck to keep your neck warm.
I have 5 scarves: red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. I love scarves.
5, that's a lot. But okay, last word, gloves. Gloves are for your hands. They cover your fingers and keep your hands warm.
Like mittens?
Similar, but mittens are different. Mittens cover all your fingers together like a big pocket for your hand. Gloves have separate spaces for each finger.
Ah, yes, good explanation. Okay, sorry, John. Continue your story.
Okay, so I put on my coat, scarf, and gloves. I opened the front door and I stepped outside and immediately I slipped.
You slipped? Oh no!
Yes, the ground was icy. Do you know this word, icy?
I do. Icy means covered with ice. Ice is frozen water. When the ground is icy, it's very slippery and dangerous.
Exactly. I didn't see the ice under the snow, so I stepped outside and whoosh, my feet went up in the air and I fell down on my back.
Oh no, John, were you hurt?
No, I was okay, just surprised. And my neighbor saw everything. She started laughing.
I'm sorry, but that's pretty funny.
I know. Now I can laugh about it too. But in that moment, I felt embarrassed.
I understand. Falling in front of people is always embarrassing. But you know what? This happens to everyone in winter.
That's true. Winter can be dangerous sometimes. You have to be careful when you walk outside.
Absolutely. Let me tell you my winter story now.
Please, I want to hear it.
Okay, so my story is from last year. It was December and it was freezing outside.
Freezing. That's a great winter word. Freezing means extremely cold.
Yes, so cold that you feel like you're turning into ice. It was freezing that day. I think it was minus 10 degrees.
Wow, minus 10? That's really cold.
I know. So I was walking to the store to buy some milk, and I was wearing my warmest coat, my favorite red scarf, my gloves, and my boots.
Boots, another important word. Boots are special shoes for winter. They're tall and waterproof.
Right, they protect your feet from snow and water. So I was walking carefully because I didn't want to slip like you did, John.
Good thinking.
And then I saw something beautiful. There was a park near the store, and the trees in the park were covered in frost.
Frost, that's a beautiful winter thing. Frost is like thin ice that forms on things when it's very cold. It looks white and sparkly.
Yes, sparkly is a good word. The trees looked magical, like they were covered in diamonds. I stopped walking and just looked at them for a few minutes.
That sounds lovely. Winter can be really beautiful, even when it's cold.
It really can. But then something happened. A little kid was playing in the park with his dad, and the kid was making a snowman.
A snowman. Everyone loves snowmen. Did you watch them?
I did. The little boy was so happy. He was rolling big balls of snow to make the snowman's body. Do you know how to make a snowman, John?
I do. You need 3 big balls of snow. 1 big ball for the bottom, 1 medium ball for the middle, and 1 small ball for the head.
Exactly. And then you can add things to make the face, like stones for eyes, a carrot for the nose.
And sticks for arms. I used to make snowmen when I was a kid. It was so much fun.
Me too. I loved it. Anyway, I watched this little boy and his dad, and it made me feel warm inside. Even though it was freezing outside, my heart felt warm.
That's so sweet. Winter has moments like that, doesn't it? Special warm feelings even in the cold.
Yes, exactly. That's why I wanted to share this story. Winter isn't just about being cold, it's also about cozy, happy feelings.
Cozy, that's my favorite winter word. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and safe, like when you're inside your house with a blanket.
Oh yes, I love being cozy in winter. In the evening, I sit on my sofa with a big, soft blanket. I drink my hot chocolate with marshmallows, and I read a book or watch a movie.
That sounds perfect. I do something similar. I like to sit by the window and watch the snow fall. It's so peaceful.
Snow falling is beautiful. It's so quiet, so calm. Do you know the word blizzard, John?
Oh yes, a blizzard is a big snowstorm with strong winds. It's very dangerous. You shouldn't go outside during a blizzard.
Right. Luckily, we don't get many blizzards here. Just nice, gentle snow most of the time.
That's good. I've been in a blizzard once and it was scary. I couldn't see anything, just white everywhere.
I can imagine. Nature is powerful in winter. Let's talk about some more winter words. What about fireplace?
Oh, I love fireplaces. A fireplace is a special place in your house where you can burn wood to make fire. It keeps the room warm.
And it's so romantic and cozy. I don't have a fireplace in my apartment, but my parents have one. When I visit them in winter, we sit by the fireplace and talk for hours.
That's wonderful. Fireplaces make everything feel warmer, not just the temperature, but the atmosphere too.
Atmosphere, good word. It means the feeling or mood of a place.
Yes, winter has a special atmosphere, especially in December with Christmas lights and decorations.
Oh, I love Christmas lights. They're so pretty. Tiny, colorful lights on trees and houses. They bring light to the darkness of winter.
Me too. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, the lights are beautiful. They bring light to the darkness of winter.
That's poetic, John. You know, I want to talk about winter weather words. Can we do that?
Sure, that's important for learners. Let's start simple. What's the opposite of hot?
Cold. When the temperature is low, we say it's cold.
Right. And when it's very, very cold, we can say it's freezing, like you said earlier. Or we can say it's chilly.
Chilly is less cold than freezing. Chilly is like you need a jacket, but you won't die from the cold.
Good explanation. What about wind? In winter, the wind can be really strong.
Yes, a strong, cold wind is called a cold breeze or just wind. When the wind blows, it makes you feel colder.
We have a special term for that, wind chill. It means the temperature feels colder because of the wind.
Interesting. So it might be 0 degrees, but with wind chill, it feels like -10 degrees.
Exactly. Wind chill is important to know if you're going outside. You need to dress warmer.
Good point. Let's talk about winter clothes more. We mentioned coat, scarf, gloves. What else?
Hat. You need a warm hat in winter. It covers your head and ears. Sometimes we call it a beanie.
I love beanies. I have a red beanie with a little ball on top. It's called a pom-pom.
Cute. I have a simple black beanie. It keeps my head warm. What about socks?
Oh, yes. Thick, warm socks are essential in winter. I wear wool socks. Wool is a material that comes from sheep, and it's very warm.
I wear wool socks too. Sometimes 2 pairs if it's really cold.
2 pairs? Your feet must be very warm. What about thermal underwear? Do you know this term?
I do. Thermal underwear is special underwear that you wear under your normal clothes. It's thin but very warm. It keeps your whole body warm.
My grandmother always tells me to wear thermal underwear in winter. She says, Sophia, you'll catch a cold.
Grandmothers always worry, but she's right. You have to stay warm or you might get sick.
Speaking of getting sick, winter is cold and flu season. Cold means a minor sickness with a runny nose and cough. Flu is more serious, it's influenza.
Yes, many people get sick in winter. That's why it's important to wash your hands, eat healthy food, and stay warm.
And drink lots of tea. I drink ginger tea in winter. It's warm and helps my immune system.
Ginger tea is great. I prefer lemon tea with honey. It's soothing for the throat.
That sounds good too. You know what else is great in winter? Soup.
Oh, yes. Hot soup on a cold day is perfect. What kind of soup do you like?
I love vegetable soup. Carrots, potatoes, onions, all cooked together in hot water with salt and pepper. It's simple but delicious.
I like chicken soup. My mom makes the best chicken soup. When I was sick as a child, she always made it for me. It made me feel better.
Food has that power, doesn't it? It can make us feel warm, safe, and loved.
Absolutely. Winter food is comfort food. Warm, hearty meals that fill your stomach and make you happy.
Hearty, good word. It means satisfying and nourishing, like a big bowl of stew or chili.
Exactly. Okay, let's talk about winter activities. What do people do in winter?
Well, some people love winter sports, like skiing or snowboarding. You go to the mountains and slide down on snow.
I've never tried skiing. Have you?
Once, I went with friends. It was fun, but also scary. I fell down many times.
That's normal for beginners. What about ice skating? That's another popular winter activity.
Ice skating is beautiful. You wear special shoes with blades on the bottom, and you slide on ice. It looks easy, but it's actually quite difficult.
I agree. I can ice skate a little bit, but I'm not good. I have to hold onto the wall most of the time.
That's okay. Practice makes perfect. Some people can do tricks on ice. They spin and jump. It's amazing to watch.
Those are professional ice skaters. They train for years. For us normal people, just staying upright on ice is an achievement.
True. What about sledding? Do you know this activity?
Yes, sledding is when you sit on a sled, a flatboard, and slide down a snowy hill. It's really fun and kids love it.
I loved sledding as a child, going fast down the hill, feeling the cold wind on your face, laughing with friends. Those are good memories.
Winter creates special memories, doesn't it? Even though it's cold, we find ways to have fun and enjoy it.
That's a beautiful thought, John. Winter teaches us something important.
What's that?
Winter teaches us to appreciate warmth. When it's cold outside, we appreciate our warm homes more. We appreciate hot drinks, warm clothes, and time with people we love.
Wow, that's deep. But you're right. We appreciate things more when we don't always have them.
Exactly. And winter also teaches us that difficult times don't last forever. After winter comes spring. The snow melts, flowers grow, and everything becomes warm again.
That's a nice metaphor for life. When we're going through hard times, we can remember that spring always comes after winter.
Yes, I love that. Okay, before we finish, let's review some winter words we learned today.
Good idea. Let's see. We learned cold, freezing, chilly, snow, ice, icy, frost, blizzard.
Coat, scarf, gloves, mittens, hat, beanie, boots, thermal underwear.
Hot chocolate, soup, tea, fireplace, cozy.
Snowman, sledding, ice skating, skiing, snowboarding.
Wind, wind chill, winter storm.
That's a lot of words. Great job, everyone who's been learning with us.
And remember, the best way to learn these words is to use them. Try to talk about winter with your friends in English.
Yes, practice, practice, practice. That's how you get better.
So, to finish our conversation today, I want to ask you, Sophia, what's your favorite thing about winter?
That's hard to choose. But I think my favorite thing is the quiet. Winter feels peaceful to me, especially when it's snowing at night and everything is silent.
That's beautiful. For me, I think it's the coziness. Coming home to a warm house after being outside in the cold. That feeling is wonderful.
I love that too. Winter is about contrasts, isn't it? Cold and warm, dark and light, difficult and cozy.
Perfect way to describe it. Well, friends, thank you for learning with us today. We hope you enjoyed our winter conversation.
Yes, and now we have a small task for you. We want to hear from you.
That's right. In the comments below, please tell us what's the weather like where you live right now. Is it winter? Is it cold? Is there snow?
And tell us your favorite winter word from today's lesson. Which word do you like the most?
We read all the comments and we love hearing from you. Your comments help us know what topics you want to learn about.
Also, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We make new English lessons every week. We want to help you learn English in a natural, fun way.
Yes, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
All right, friends, stay warm, stay safe, and keep practicing your English.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. And remember, winter may be cold, but learning English with us is always warm and cozy.
Nice ending, John. Okay, bye for real now.